Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to create professional graphics fast in 2026, Canva templates are the easiest way to design without starting from scratch, okay? So thousands of ready-made designs, perfect for beginners, fully customizable, works for social media, presentations, posters, and more. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use templates in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva and start the design. So go to Canva, log in, click create, okay. Choose a design type, Instagram post, presentation, okay. You know, you can choose anything. So once the editor opens, so you have to click first on the templates that you want, then look at the left sidebar, okay. We have here, let it load in. So we have here templates. So scroll or search for a style, for example minimalist, business, fitness, okay. Use the search bar to find specific styles, okay. So apply a template, click any template you like, okay. It will load into your canvas instantly, okay. You can switch templates anytime. So replace the text. You can, for example, click on the text, adjust font size, color, okay. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.